This bamboo will become your next t-shirt.
Mass production media. We made green fabric from bamboo. Full factory process.
All right, let's get started. Check your gear. Ready when you are. Okay, right here. Mark it. Done.
Done.
Next one. Keep it steady. Bring it over here. Tighten that one. Watch the forklift. Okay, it's clear.
Transported to the processing facility.
All right, bring it over to the conveyor. Slow down, watch the belt. Clear left side. Next load coming in. All right, bring it over to this section. Copy that, moving it now. Watch the clearance on the top shelf, easy. Setting it down now.
Bamboo is 40% more absorbent than cotton.
The conversion begins.
Keep an eye on the levels in the corner. On the levels in the corner. Got it. Flow rate up to 300 now. Looking good.
Set the temperature to 78 degrees Celsius.
Roger.
Roger that. Confirm 78 degrees.
The compression is reaching the optimal pressure.
The refined material looks much cleaner now.
Let's check the quality of this batch.
Pulp sample collected. Placing in device now. Reading 98.5%. Looks good. Approve lot.
All right, opening this up, checking the flow, looking good. Let's fine-tune this for optimal.
The pump is active. Flow rate looks stable. Check the pressure on the gauge.
Breaking strength 1.8 Newton, elongation 12%.
Keep the temperature steady on those vats. Almost got this pipe fixed. Needs more dye in vat 4.
Precisely measured and transferred. Adding water now. Stirring with the industrial mixer.
Keep it steady. Down a bit. That's good, lock it in.
Temperature is climbing steadily, approaching 120. At 120, pressurizing, locked in, monitoring process.
The temperature is holding steady at 70 degrees. Dyeing cycle is confirmed.
The yarn is entering the heated chamber now.
Temperature is stable.
They're emerging now, looking perfectly dry and vibrant.
Too high. Adjusting. Perfect. Stable.
Set the width to 1800 millimeters. Adjusted, monitoring the tension now.
Hood pieces, 4x2. Okay. Body front, body back, sleeves, waists.
Keep the pace up, we have a tight deadline. Ensure the stitch quality is perfect on these green shirts. Move the finished bundles to the inspection area now.
Excellent, this one's perfect. On to the next batch. Good work, Sarah.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Pallet deposited. Starting wrap now. Wrapping complete. Moving to shipping lane.
Inventory check confirms everything is in order. Moving pallet 1600 to bay 42. Production complete on the latest shipment.